Life will take your test every moment you are leaving the older version of you and moving forward, not to demotivate you, but to let you know that are you truly ready? Have you really become the person you show? Tell me the moment you decide to wake up early in the morning, some unexpected plans show up. Whenever you're trying to make an academic comeback, you fell sick. Every time you plan to eat healthy, you get invited for a party and you forget about your goals. Do you believe it always happens to you and push you into the circle you can never escape? Then let me tell you, it's not random. Or it doesn't just happen to you. You're stuck in this cycle where every time you try to reinvent yourself, after 2 days you fail and find yourself at the same spot again. And you suffer. You doubt your capabilities, demotivate yourself, get frustrated that why can't you do things which others can? You feel all the negative emotions and you stay in vain until one day a motivational video hits you and you start again with enthusiasm but fail again. It's because you're not ready to be the version of yourself you want to become. You need a mindset shift. You must have heard, think like the person you want to become and then take action, which is so true and you need to apply it. Let's understand it with an example. If you want to wake up early, you have to sleep early, and for that you have to say goodbye to your evening plans, but you don't. You have to maintain discipline and visualize yourself doing it. If your actions and your mind are not on the same page, how can you think you will be able to continue your habits? What I mean is to build something, you need to change the habit of yours that don't let you build the new version of you. If you don't change that, don't learn from your previous failure that what you did wrong, and without changing, you try again, then you are gonna fail and be stuck in that unescapable cycle. And this life has made it convenient for us by taking tests at every stage. It happens and it will happen. You just have to learn to pass it, and once you do, you'll realize you finally left the version of you that you wanted to change. Situation occurs. Troubles happen, but if you haven't learned from it, then it will happen again and again, and you will suffer. Life tests you every time to make you a better version of yourself. After that test, either you suffer or you learn. The choice is always yours.